Hey everybody, and welcome back to a new video. This is Coding Station, and in today's video I'm gonna show you the solution to the assignment number 2. So in the assignment number 2 you had to create this web page on Steve Jobs, which was not very easy, neither was very tough. So I had given you some instructions that you had to follow while making this project, and even I had linked down a project template in the description box of that particular video. Now the link of that particular video is in the description box of this video. If you have not watched that particular video and you want to create this web page, you can certainly go through that video once. Okay, so to start with it, we have started with a HTML tag, then a head tag, then we have started with a title tag and have put the title as Steve Jobs and close the title tag. Then we close the head tag and started with the body tag. Section ID equal to intro, class equal to parallax container, division class equal to parallax inner, and then we have the image source. Image src equal to, now this link I had copied it from a particular website. Now I have added this image. You could add any image of your choice. Okay. Now class equal to profile. So h1, we start with h1. So here you can see, here it is written I'm Steve Jobs. So in h1 I have written I'm Steve Jobs and closed the h1 tag, and started with h2 tag, and I have written I'm the founder of Apple and closed the h2 tag. So over here you can see that it's written I'm the founder of Apple. Now we close the division tag and close the section tag and BR. Now we open another section with ID as bio. We open another section tag. So here is the end of the first section of this web page, and we start with the second section coding from here. Now over here we have the h1 as hi, and we close the h1 tag and we start with a division class which is equal to line, and then we close the division tag. So this is the line. Now we start with a p tag, that's a paragraph tag, and I have copied this particular text from Wikipedia. You can copy it from anywhere you want to, and close the section tag and close the body tag, and that's all. HTML is a bit easy this time, and in CSS CSS is very easy, but over here you had to follow a few instructions, so it's not that easy. So in the body part we have margin 0, padding top 800 px, text align center. So before I start with the other part of the CSS coding, I would like to tell you something, that you have to maintain these particular instructions. You have to follow these instructions and you have to maintain this coding. Okay, so dot profile, width 200 px, margin bottom 50 px, border radius 50%. Now what is this dot profile? Let me show you. That we had set the class of this image as dot profile. So when we code anything in CSS, we code the class, any class, we code any class, we start with dot profile. Just write dot in front, and then a curly bracket, and then we write the code inside. So please follow this. Now hashtag intro, position absolute, overflow hidden, please follow this. Okay, height 800 px, color black, left 0, right 0, bottom 0, top 0, opacity 0.83, background linear gradient. This number is 0%, this number is 100%. Now this is how you should write linear gradient, and this is the coding of linear gradient. So if you want to set a linear gradient, what you have to do is you have to write linear gradient and then put a bracket, and then you go to Google Chrome and search for color picker. You can choose any two colors, copy their hex codes and paste it over here, and you write 0%, comma, the next color as 100%. Okay, display double, height 100% with 100%. So this is the linear gradient. At the right side you can see, okay, you can see that this is the linear gradient color. These two colors I had chosen. Okay, so yeah. Now what is this hashtag intro? The hashtag intro is a section ID, and when we code any section ID in CSS, we start with a hashtag. Okay. size as 40px, line height as 1.2, font family monospace and font weight bold. Now, after each and every line of coding in CSS, never ever forget to put a semicolon. Now we go to H2. We have font size as 30px and line height as 1.2. Font family monospace, font weight bold, hashtag bio, padding 50px, text line center, font size 50px, dot line, height 6px, background color black, width 70px, margin 8px, auto. P, maximum width for 450px, margin 25px, auto, font size 20px, line height 1.3, parallax inner, display table cell position, relative, text line center, vertical align middle. Okay, so this was all about the coding of this particular web page, and I hope you could understand this coding. And still, if you have any doubts, you can certainly ask it in the comment section. We would try to answer them as much as possible, and the link to this web page is also added in the description box of this video. So I hope you have enjoyed this video, and don't forget to put a thumbs up and subscribe to Coding Station. Bye.